It's time for some high velocity fun here at Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram with this new 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport S with a Rocky Ridge conversion. First thing you see, that high velocity paint job, Rocky Ridge front bumper. We got the matching tow hooks. We've got the LED light bar. We even have color matched coil springs, 3-inch body lifts, all those Fox shocks underneath. Oh yeah. V6 power, 8-speed auto. We've got the Rocky Ridge step side here. Custom honeycomb stitching on the inside, Rocky Ridge. It's got nav, Uconnect, oh yeah, automatic. It's got the windows, removable top. Of course, the roll cage, guess what? It matches too. This is awesome. Seating 4-5 rear air cup holders, the whole night. It's got the matching seats back here too. This thing is awesome. And also, we are rolling on 22-inch wheels with 37-inch off-road tires. And guess what? Because it's installed by us here, this Rocky Ridge conversion, guess what? It does not void the warranty. And this even includes an extra 3 years, 36,000-mile warranty on the conversion. It even has upgraded hinges and everything because of the stance of going off-road. In the back here, we got our covers, put the seats down, more room. Cargo room here, a little Jeep toolkit. And when you remove the doors and the hood, guess what? Put your bolts and screws there, and you don't have to worry about losing them. So come on by Ed Payne Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram for this new 2022 Jeep Wrangler S with a Rocky Ridge conversion. That's right, your home of Jeep here. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have the Jeep that you want. Lo que tú quieres, regardless.